we're going to show you how to administer fluids to your pet at home. And helping me out today is going to be Lexi. Thank you. Fluid therapy for your pet, you're going to need some supplies. You're going to need somewhere to hang your fluids. Here we've got a handy stand. At home you can use a coat hanger, any hook on a wall. The higher up you can get it from your pet, the better speed you're going to get as far as the flow. Obviously you need your fluid bag, the fluid line, and a needle. I'll show you how to set up the fluid bag in line. So you're going to rip open the bag. There's a little tear spot. Pull that out. You're going to remove the cap on the bottom here just by pulling. You can go ahead and hang that. The line we're going to pull out from its packaging. Again, remove the plastic covering on this part, which is going to go into the fluid bag. And that's just going to insert right up in there and push it in. So you'll notice the fluid is going to start flowing. Let it fill up the line and close it off with the valve. So this is what controls the speed of the fluid. All you need to know is when it's down here at the narrow part, it is closed. When it's up at the top part, this is open. So if you wanted to open the line again, we'd roll it up and then the fluid is flowing. If you wanted to close it, you roll it back down. At the tip of the line is where the needle is going to connect. The needle does screw in, so we're going to open, just going to put that on there. Remember your righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and secure that to it. Needles should be used only once, and then they should be discarded in a Sharps safe container. And you can use any jar you have at home. You can bring them back to us or dispose of them in that container in your city garbage. And we're ready. Okay, so we've got our line ready to go with our needle attached. It's a clean needle. We're going to get down to our pet. Make sure they're comfortable because it's going to take a couple minutes. Right now we've got Lexi nice and distracted with some fun treats, but do whatever works best for your pet. So we're going to do the injection up here around the shoulders where they have lots of excess skin. So you can see you're going to grab it and pull it up, and we're going to actually put the needle right in the base there. So we're going to remove the cap on the needle, get that pulled up, inject the needle. You need to hold that in place, find the valve on the line, open that up. Fluid should start flowing. If you do not get flow immediately, you might need to adjust the placement of your needle either by twisting it. It might just be up against the skin there, or just move it around a little bit and get that going. Give your pet the prescribed amount of fluids, and once that is completed, go ahead and close the valve so fluid flow stops. Pinch where the needle is inserted and pull out your needle. Hold this for just a couple seconds. Sometimes your pet may bleed or some fluids might leak out, which is why we try to hold it to keep that from happening. That still could happen. And then you're done. Your pet will have a big bubble of fluids depending on how much they've been given. So they might have this big pocket up there. Sometimes that will sag down underneath between their front legs too. So it just depends on how fast their body's going to absorb it. And that's it.